Hello, life is creating and sharing, and what I'm showing you here is why vitamin C. And look at the bottom of the carrot, and that represents like our heart. Our heart is when the young looks like fresh, nice, and then older, and your heart is become more oxidized, and again become 60, 70, and more oxidized, and 90, very, very oxidized. So what we need to do, because in your whole body, every day you need ATP, energy, and you need to remove oxygen-free radical, which is a byproduct of the ATP production, right, in the mitochondria. So therefore, you every single day, you need orange and lemon in order to reduce the free radical. And I just do one simple experiment, that is apple cut into 4 pieces, 2 pieces exposed to oxygen, and 2 pieces with the vitamin C and free lemon juice. And you can clearly see the difference. And this is very reduced, and that's why not brown, and this is oxidized. So that telling us we always had to take, every single day, take some vitamin C. And then Dr. Linus Pauling, 2 unshared Nobel Prize, Nobel Chemistry and Nobel Peace, he suggests that vitamin C is good for anti-cancer and also antiviral. Indeed, in China, people using vitamin C for the treatment of COVID-19. And in a lot that different academic institution also confirm his work, that is the vitamin C is really beneficial. But by the way, when you drink too much vitamin C, only gone to urine, so it's no bad, no side effect, unlike other vitamin. So vitamin C is very, very safe. So make sure drink fresh vitamin C from orange and lemon, and then you can remove daily produce oxygen-free radical. So I hope you're healthy, and in order to be successful and happiness. Bye-bye.